Hello, grade 7 learners. Today is our mathematics class. I am teacher Christine and we will learn with fun.
To formally start in our activity, makikuha po na inyong mga sagutang papel, na inyong ballpen, at saka na inyong learning module para kayo ay magabayan sa ating talakayan. Are you ready now? Alright, let's start! In our activity 1, it is all about group analysis. I have here a collection of objects. I want you to group them on what they think they fit in. I will give you 5 seconds to think about it. Are you ready to show your answers? Alright, it is time to reveal the correct answer. This is the correct answer of our groupings. Who among you got it right? Well then, congratulations! Now, why did you group them as such? And how many groups are there? What are the names of the groups created? Exactly, class. You group them as such because that groupings are those that shares the same characteristics. As you have observed, we have 3 groups created, and in our first group, we can name this as a group of the primary colors. On the second group, these are the group of vowels, and in our third group, this is all about roots. These groups are called sets. A set is made up of a collection of objects, but mathematically speaking, a set must be well defined. This lesson will give you a clear understanding about sets. In our activity 2, let's determine if which among A and B is a well-defined set. Sa ating column A, we have the set of primary colors, the set of vowels in the English alphabet, and in our column B, we have the set of beautiful people and the set of books. Alin kaya sa kay A at saka kay B ang mayroong well-defined set? Ano ba yung napili niyong sagot, class? Ang tamang sagot dito ay letter A. The given in B are not well defined. In the set of beautiful people, it depends on the point of view of a person. Some people you may find it beautiful, but on some, they are not. On the other hand, on the set of books, it is not well defined, but we can specify it, just like saying the set of Harry Potter books because it has its series. But if you will just say set of books, it is not that well defined. In mathematics, set is a well-defined group or collection of objects that share a common characteristic. Can you give me now some examples of a set that are well-defined? Alright, just like the set of senses of our body, we have the sense of sight, the sense of taste, the sense of smell, the sense of hearing, and the sense of touch. The objects contained in the set are called elements, just like in our example, the set of primary colors. The elements are its objects, the blue, yellow, and the red. A set can be named using capital letters kagaya ng A, B, C, D, and so on hanggang sa letter Z. And we use braces to group the elements of a set and they are separated by a comma. For example, on our set of primary colors, pwede natin gamitin ang kahit anong letra. So dito ginamit ko ay letter A. Pero pwede ito mapalitan. Pwede yung B, C, and so on. Depende yan sa iyo kung ano yung variable na gagamitin mo. Now, ano yan? That is equal to, lagyan ng open at saka ng close braces, at saka ilista yung kanyang elements, at saka you separate it by a comma. So the elements are red, yellow, and blue. Ang tawag sa ganitong method ng paglista ng set is a listing method. Meron tayong isa pa. At ang method na ito ay tinatawag na rule method, wherein our set A is equal to the set of element in X such that it is a prime number. Pero, yung method lamang na gagamitin natin ngayon is ang listing method. Let's proceed to activity number 3, naming sets and its elements. We have the following sets. It's your time to name them. You may pause this video for a while for you to answer in your paper. Alright, it is now time to reveal the answers. On number 1, the set of vowels in the English alphabet. So we have our set B as equal to its elements A, E, I, O, and U. Number 2, the set of distinct letters in the word cheese. Okay, eto yung sagot. Our set C is equal to the following elements, C, H, E, and S. Ganito rin ba yung sagot niyo, class? I think marami sa inyo na inulit yung pagkakasulat ng letter E. Take note, if we are listing the elements of set, isang beses lamang isulat yung letra na nauulit. Okay. Ang pagkakasulat ng ating elements ay depende sa inyo. Okay na hindi pareho yung ating pagkakasunod-sunod kagaya nito. Pwedeng mauna si C, E, H, at saka si S. Walang problema dyan, class. Next, on number 3, the set of multiples of 3. So we have this. The multiples of 3, we have 3, 6, 9, and 12. And so on. We have 15, 18, at hindi natatapos. At dahil napakarami nila, nilagyan na lamang natin ng tatlong tuldok. Ang tawag dyan sa tatlong tuldok is ellipsis. If a set contains many elements, we represent it using 3 dots. Nakuha niyo ba yun, class? Next, on number 4, we have the set of flying teachers. Naku, meron bang ganon? Hindi pa naman ako lumilipad. Paano natin yun papangalanan yung elements ng set na ito? Okay, since wala tayong kilalang guro na lumilipad, this is an empty set. Wala siyang laman. Okay, we can use close and open braces na walang laman, or this one, yung bilog na may guhit. Yan yung symbol natin for an empty set. Empty set, yung tawag natin sa kay number 4 kasi wala siyang laman. For number 3, kasi hindi siya natatapos, it never ends, it is endless. Ang tawag natin dyan ay infinite set. And on our first and second set, ang tawag natin ay finite set kasi sila ay natatapos. Klaro ba yun, class? I hope nakuha ninyo. Eto, empty set or null set. A set with no element. Another term for an empty set is a null set. Pareho lang yan sila, class. Ito yung symbols na sinabi ko kanina. Yung symbol for our null set. At saka you may write the close and open braces. These are the examples. Number one, yung inilabas ko kanina sa ating activity number 3, the set of flying pictures. Wala namang ganon, kaya empty set. And in our example number 2, we have the set of months with 35 days. Ako, ang alam ko lang is merong 28 or 29 days yung February. Wala pa namang 35 days, ano? Let's proceed to another term. We have the cardinality of sets. Ano na naman ito, class? If we talk about cardinal number of set A, it is denoted by n of A is the number of elements in set A. Thus, in A, the elements 1, 3, 5, and 7, the n of A is equal to 4 because set A contain 4 elements. Sa madaling sabi, class, kapag cardinality of set yung pinag-uusapan, bilangin nyo lang kung ilan yung elements, iyon na yung cardinality. Alright? For example, the set of letters in the word cheese. Bilangin lang natin if ilan yung elements. We have C, H, E, and S. So that is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the cardinality of our C, that is N of C, that is equal to 4. Ang dali lang, di ba? Next, number 2, the set of counting numbers less than 8. Ano ba yung mga numbers na less than 8? So, less than 8, 7. So, those are 1 to 7. So, bilangin natin kung ilan yan lahat. So, its cardinality is equal to 7. Ang dali lang, ano? Next, number 3. The set of months with 35 days. Naku, ma'am, wala namang ganyan. Bakit natin bibilangin yung cardinality? O, eto yung class. Kasi wala siyang laman. Since it is an empty set, wala tayong bibilangin kasi walang laman. So, its cardinality is equal to 0. Did you get it now? Good. Next, let's talk about another term, the universal set. The universal set U is the set that contains all objects under consideration. For example, set U contains the set of whole numbers. Ayan. Kompleto. Our set U are from the numbers 1, 2, 3, and so on. That is an example of a universal set. Another is, the set U contains the set of letters in the English alphabet. Kompleto yun, class, kasi yung English letter natin ay from A to Z. Kompleto, lahat-lahat ibinigay natin. Kaya siya naging universal set. Maaari din nating isulat ito ng pinaikli, just like this one. Our universal set is equal to A, B, C, and D. Yung ellipsis, nilagay lang natin sa gitna, meaning to say may mga kasunod pa siya. And then, followed by X, Y, and Z. Next term is subset. Given any two sets, A and B, if every element in A is also an element in B, then A is a subset of B. The symbol A is a subset of B is read as A is a subset of B. Example, the set of vowels is a subset of the set of letters in the English alphabet. When we talk about subset, it is a set within a set. Parang anak niya na set. Okay? Halimbawa noon, eto na, si number 1. Yung ating set of letters, kompleto yun eh. A to Z. Kapag sinami lang nating set of vowels, kumonti lang. Anak niya na yun. A set within a set. Yung A, E, I, at saka O, U, yun yung subset na. Klaro yun? Next. Example number 2. If we have a universal set R that is equal to the following elements, 1 and 2. We can say that the possible subsets are yung mga makikita nating elements doon. We have the possible subset. We have 1, 2, posibleng 1 and 2 because a set can be a subset of itself, and then it can also be an empty set. Let's develop your mastery in our activity number 4. It is about sit-sit-sit in a minute. And in this activity, kailangan niyo pong sagutin yung 5 katanungan sa loob ng 1 minuto. Paghihanda na inyong sagutang papel. Alright, let's start! Number 1. Which of the following is a well-defined set? A. A set of good writers. B. A set of factors of 10. C. A set of honest politicians. Number 2. Which of the following is a symbol for null set? The choices are shown in your screen. Number 3. Which of the following is not an element of the set of multiples of 3? A. 27. B. 15. C. 28. Number 4. Charlie listed the set of letters of Filipino as shown below. What is wrong with the set? A. It uses commas. B. It uses braces. Or C. Some objects in the list are not listed once. Number 5. It is represented by 3 dots, which is used to indicate that the set has infinite elements. A. Ellipses. B. Braces. C. Subset. Alright, time is up. It is time to reveal the correct answers. Here are the correct answers. In number 1, a set of factors of 10 is a well-defined set. Letter A and C are wrong because good writers and honest politician are subjective. On number 2, the symbol for null set is letter B because letter A, this is braces, and letter C, that is a symbol for the subset. And number 3, 28 is not an element of set of multiples of 3. Only 27 and 15 are its multiples. On number 4, ano ba yung mali? Alright, the answer is letter C. Some objects in the list are not listed once. Kasi naulit ni Charlie yung pagkakasulat ng letter I. Dapat ay isang beses lamang isusulat yung bawat letra. On number 5, ellipsis yung tawag sa 3 dots that indicates infinite elements. Who among you got the correct answers? Sa mga nakakuha ng perfect score, well then, congratulations! At sa mga hindi naman naka-perfect, at least may natutunan kayo at na-develop yung inyong mastery. Now it is time to reflect. How can you relate your life as a well-defined set? You may pause this video for a while to give you a moment for reflection. Alright, life is like a universal set. It consists of elements like family, events, blessings, money, and so on. Family is a subset of our life. Blessings are also a subset of our life. We can count the elements that belongs to our family. We can also count our blessings, even our problems. Some people may feel empty in their life, but we cannot invalidate their feelings if that is how they feel. We just have to let them feel our presence and remind them that life is not an empty set, and remind them about its precious elements. Let's evaluate your learnings in our Activity 6. With the given sets below, isulat ang true kapag yung statement ay tama at false naman kapag yung statement ay mali. Ito yung ating pagbabasehan ng ating sagot. The set, which are named as COVID. Naku, hindi pa rin natatapos yung pandemya. Sana ay darating na yung panahon na tayo ay magkikita-kita muli sa ating face-to-face classes. Ngayon, eto na ang mga katanungan. I will give you a couple of minutes to write your answers in your paper. You may pause this video for a while. Alright, it is now time to reveal the answers. Number 1. The cardinality of set C is 8. Now, let's count. When we say cardinality, it is about the numbers of elements. So as we count, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So the cardinality is 4 and not 8. So the answer is false. On number 2, 5, 15, and 25 is a subset of set I. Let's see. Alright, we have the elements 5. Ayan. At saka nandoon din si 15. At saka si 25. Tama. So the answer in number 2 is true. On number 3, 7 is a subset of set V. Tingnan natin sa set V. Eto, may nakikita ba kayong element na 7 sa set V? Wala. Kaya ang sagot natin ay false. O number 4, the cardinality of set O is 3. So bilangin natin. In set O, we have the following elements, D, A, Y. So we have 1, 2, 3. And the answer is correct. It is true. On number 5, set D is a null set. Kapag sinabi nating null set, that is an empty set. Wala siyang lamang element. Si set D, naku, meron siyang laman. Meron siyang lamang rows. R-O-S-E. So number 5, that is false. So who among you here got a perfect score? Very good, class. Sa mga naka-perfect. Sa mga hindi naman naka-perfect, maaari niyong balikan ang ating talakayan para inyong mas maunawaan at makuha na ang mga bagay na nakakonfuse sa inyo. For your performance task, we have the following categories: the music, the number genius, and then the geography category. Select only one category and find what is asked. Write your answer in a short size bond paper. You may take a clear photo and email your answer at my DepEd email account, or you may submit it personally. Now, ano yung gagawin ninyo sa mga napili ninyong category? Sa music category, kailangan nyo lamang kantahin ang kantang Bahay Kubo. And then, list down the set of elements of the set of vegetables. And then, find its cardinality. For our second category, about number genius, just list all the elements of the set of multiples of 5 that are less than 200 and also find its cardinality. For our third category, that is all about geography, just identify the elements of the set of barangays in the city of Coronadal and then count its cardinality. This is the basis of your grade. Our rubrics. We have the following criteria. First, the correctness or the accuracy, and the second one is the timeliness. So if you will get an excellent in the two criteria, then you will have a perfect score. Klaro ba yun, class? At hanggang dito na lamang ang ating talakayan. I hope you have learned something from me, class. Kapag may mga katanungan, maaari niyo akong i-email sa aking debit account or i-chat sa aking messenger. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. See you in our next class. Bye!